Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got for you all is I'm going to be going over the Union Air Jordan 4 off NOIR that dropped yesterday actually. I'm going to be going over if it really is a sneaker that you should hold over time or one that you should sell right now just for the profit that it is. And I'm just going to kind of go over that in my opinion. So I hope you guys will enjoy this kind of sneaker investment video. It's definitely, in my opinion, one of the best sneaker investments of 2020, and I will discuss exactly why I think that. So if you guys want more content like this, please go ahead, subscribe below, drop that like too. Let's try and hit 175 likes on this video. I want to see everybody drop that like. So let's try and hit 175. That'd be a dope goal. Just something a little random, but I appreciate it. And yeah, you know, that's really everything I gotta say. Other than, if you want to go join my Discord down below, I'd appreciate that. We always showing love down there, talking, discussing about sneaker drops, anything really, just anything like appropriate now, of course. So yeah, that's, you know, if you want to go join that, go check that out down below. But yeah, that's everything I really gotta say. So I hope you guys will enjoy, and let's get started on the sneaker investment for the Jordan 4 off NOIR Union Club. Alright, so as you guys can see, we are here on the screen recording, as I say, usually every time, literally every time. But as you guys can see, is my Instagram. If you all want to go give me a follow here, you know, I got some pictures up. I'd appreciate if y'all went and showed some love. Road to 6K on there. So I'd appreciate the follow. That'd make my day. But aside from that, you know, and Instagram followers, let's get into actually discussing this sneaker right now. So I managed to actually get lucky enough to cop this shoe off Sneakers yesterday. I'll pop up the pictures so y'all can see it. I did manage to actually secure a pair of these in size 9.5, and as you can see, market is pretty good right now for size 9.5, you know, about like 760, 780, so big, like pretty good money on it, and I'm very happy about that. You know, you kind of can look at the chart for them. It's kind of just like at that point where, you know, you're just gonna have some sales, maybe going up a little bit, but in the last couple days, but who knows, you know, not too many sales. It's a fairly limited sneaker, but you can just check it. Like, this shoe is going for a lot of money, and I'm very happy that I was able to get this one. But in terms of it being a sneaker investment, it is definitely one you do not want to miss out on, because it's just like you can easily make money off this. Even paying resale, in my opinion, right now is profitable because it is a Union LA collab, and when Union LA and Jordan collab, it's always like easily, like, sneakers are always going for at least like 1,500. So you see these ones going for 780, and I was like, yeah, right after the drop, I was like, okay, yeah, you should probably maybe even wait like a week or two and start buying some pairs, because I predict it will go down a little bit more maybe, but I mean, they're still definitely going to go up. Like with any shoe, the longer you hold it in dead stock condition, the more it will be worth in the future, the more it will go up. And especially this one, already a limited sneaker, so you know, like I'm putting like a lot of money behind this one. You can check out the market here, and like kind of like in all sizes, it's going for like 550, 800, as you can see, like right here. And you can go like even look at good, it's probably like about the same, you know. They're already saying, you know, there's a lot like that's like the instant price, I think, like if there are people that already have it in hand. So if you already have them in hand, you can make a ton of money selling them on GOAT right now. But yeah, so like for a 9.5, 863 on GOAT right now, it's pretty solid. So you can already tell pairs are going for a lot of money. Now the reason, aside from, you know, it being a Union LA collab and that being a good reason why it will go up, and you know, the other things like that, while that is important, again, this one is indefinitely a hold, and I'll explain everything why. So you kind of like, again, this chart isn't like super important to this. I really want to focus on what I'm comparing this one to. So this sneaker's actual buddy, its friend, you know, yeah, obviously got the off NOIR here, but its buddy, the Guava Ice, has already started going up in value. Now, of course, you could debate the fact that this sneaker right here, the Guava Ice one, is personally, you know, like a lot of people think this one looks better than the off NOIR one, which is very true. I agree with that. And you know, you can kind of see this one, the chart has actually started to go up slightly, not like too significantly. You know, you got like 850 here, and then it's kind of up. You're starting to get some starting in the K range, kind of like 900 some here. So you know, it's gone up like 100 already in the Guava Ice. You got like 2,000 sales, so you know this one has started to go up. So if you already see basically the exact other colorway, exact Jordan 4 Union, you know, starting to go up, then of course this one is going to go up too, even if it isn't as good of a looking, you know, as good like looking colorway. Of course, then if this one, and again, I know some people also debate the fact that this one has less pairs out. If I'm correct, the Guava Ice actually has less pairs than the off NOIR. But again, aside from that, like, they're still both Jordan 4s. You see this one starting to rise, so there's no reason why this one wouldn't. And again, both super limited, so I mean, you could hold this one for a year, and again, there won't be a lot of dead stock pairs at that point. So like, you know, like it's already a lot of money there. So like I'm already thinking these ones could easily go up. Like these ones could probably go up, you know, like 1,250, like 1,500, probably even more. You know, you would have to hold them for a while, you know. And the reason I'm saying that is because, look, you want to look at some ones that are really going for a lot of money. Here, I got you. So right here we got the Jordan 1. This is the blue toe, and this is the ones that dropped. This is in 2018. This is kind of like, I think, the first Union LA and like kind of the Jordan 1 collab. And this one, bro, look at how much these are going for. Like, look at this chart. Like, look at the Union LA collab. Look at this chart. Literally, okay, so right around the start, you know, like 700 some, 800 some. I actually remember when these were going here, like when these were going for like you know, like 800-900 to like 1K right around here, and now look what they're going for, almost 2K. So you telling me I couldn't hold this one for like a year and make like easily 500 bucks on it? Of course I could, and that's why this one's a great investment, because the Union LA collab really just hypes it up that much, and the hype beasts are gonna want this one that bad. Yes, they are, and you know it's gonna have that hype, even though, you know, again, there won't be high volume sales because it is more limited. That's the reason for there not being as many sales. I mean, it's still like, you know, like you're still gonna like make money off this one, like a lot of money, and you know it is more limited, so just not as many sales. But again, even you can compare the blue toe, that one, again, you can see the chart. Why wouldn't this one again go up as much? If this chart's kind of like this one, you know, just again, you could say, oh well, this one's a Jordan 1, it looks better. Bro, y'all need to understand how the hype beast works. I used to be a hype beast. I know, I trust me, I get this. I get this. Like, these are gonna go up. If these ones went up, it's not cause how they look, man. It's cause you got the Union LA and they're limited. You know, that's what people care about. So that's what people are gonna care about for these ones. Of course, they're gonna go up. I mean, like just the hype factor. And also these ones, the black toe one, literally the exact other version of them. Look at this chart too. So you're telling me these ones won't go up too? And this one, again, this is like the exact same example I'm kind of comparing here. So, you know, you had these Jordan 4s going up kind of for more, and then these ones will probably start going up. But, you know, you kind of see how, like, again, you see the chart on this one, you see this one kind of starting to rise, and then you got this one. When I compared this one and this colorway, you notice how they're the exact same model, two different colorways. It's the exact same thing I'm trying to do here, the exact same model, two different colorways, if you kind of see what I'm saying. So there's no reason why this one wouldn't go up. I'm literally putting an exact example here with the exact same collab. If this other colorway of the exact same model of a Union Jordan LA collab went up, and you again could argue Jordan 1s are better looking. I agree with that factor, you know, again, that's not just me being a hype beast. You know, I ain't like that, but you know, just again, these ones went up, so you kind of see when the same model, different colorways are going up like that, these ones will do the exact same thing in my opinion. Again, so buyer pairs in like a week or two in my opinion, just hold them for like 6 to 8 months. That's what I'm doing. I easily think, because I could sell them right now and make like the 500, but I don't want them to sell them right now and make the 500. You see this flat chart now, I'm trying to wait till these start spiking up to like here, like 1500, you know, because it's only got 220 sales. Like it's easily going to be over 1,000, 2,000 sales. Like, you know, like I'm definitely going to wait it out. So you know what I mean? So I'm going to end the screen recording right here. And yeah, indefinitely the Jordan 4 Retro Union, the off NOIR is like a hold. No matter what, you can't tell me it isn't. I made a perfect example, in my opinion at least, with the other Union Jordan LA collab. Those two colorways, two different ones, both still rose. Exact same thing I think will happen here when the Guava Ice continues to go up. This one will too. They're both Union collab, you know. So yeah, that's everything I gotta say. And yeah, I'm Tristan. Let's roll that outro. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy. Hopefully the lighting was all right at least, but hopefully the video was good too. At least hopefully you understood my point. Like, the longer you hold these, the more money you will make, obviously. But like, these are a great hold no matter what. Like, you will obviously be making money like on like the Union Jordan LA, like in any way. You know, it's not like necessarily very hard because it's this kind of collab, you know, it's just got that kind of hype. And especially if you got them off sneakers, there's no way you're losing money whatsoever. So there's just no reason why you shouldn't hold it. My opinion is any shoe you're able to get off a sneaker drop, you should hold, because that's basically Nike giving you the opportunity to make a lot of money, in my opinion. So, because it is random. I'll wait for my dogs to stop. All right, I'm gonna try and end this here, but yeah, that's everything I gotta say. Sorry for my dogs barking. That's everything I gotta say. I hope y'all did enjoy. Go check out my Instagrams down below. I'd appreciate the follow there. And you know, that'd make my day. Y'all go give me the follow there. And if you also want to, I think I already said subscribe and like. I said it at the start, but if you want to do that right now, that'd make my day too. I was trying to get like 175 likes on this vid. And you know, all down there by the description, my Discord, all that, you know, I'd appreciate it if you want to go check that out, because, you know, we're active on the Discord. We be talking, you know, just dropping advice, all that. So yeah, that's everything really gotta say. Finally was able to record the outro a bit. My dogs, again, literally every video, they at least bark once. At least once. Every video, it's just habit, I guess, for them to just bark in my videos. But yeah, that's everything I gotta say. So I'm T. Thank y'all for watching. Early morning video. Too early for them to be barking. That's all you need to know. And I'm out. Peace.